Take a red cabbage and slice it into small pieces. Place them in a pot and fill with enough water to cover the pieces. Heat the mixture on a stove and boil for 30 minutes. Here's the red cabbage juice collected. Here are the materials needed, from lemon juice to bleach. Two drops of red cabbage juice, add 3 drops of lemon juice on a white plate. Now the color is changed from blue to red. Now add 2 drops of red cabbage juice, and add 3 drops of soapy water. The color didn't change. Add 2 drops of red cabbage juice, and 3 drops of mineral water or drinking water. As you can see, it is neutral. The color didn't change. On the color chart, it is number 3. Two drops of red cabbage juice, add 3 drops of milk. It is shown in the color chart. The number is number 3. Three drops of red cabbage juice, add 3 drops of soda, In the color chart, the intensity of the color is number 1. 2 drops of red cabbage, and add 3 drops of vinegar. Now the color is changing to a little bit pink to red, a light red. It's number 1 in the color chart. Add 2 drops of red cabbage juice, and add a teaspoon of baking soda. No, baking powder, by the way. So this is a mixture of a red cabbage juice and a baking powder. We can see some bubbling. It bubbles. It has a light green or light yellow green. The color in the color chart is number 4. Two drops of red cabbage juice, and about a teaspoon of baking soda. We can see that it started to change from blue to green color. On the color chart, it is number 10. Two drops of red cabbage juice, add 3 drops of tomato juice, the color is changing to light red. In the chart, it is number 1. Two drops of red cabbage juice, and add 3 drops of vitamin C in water. The intensity of the color change is number 2 in the color chart. 2 drops of cabbage juice, add 3 drops of salt and water. There is no change in color. It is neutral. It's number 4 on the color chart. Add 2 drops of red cabbage juice, and add 3 drops of brown sugar in water. It is number 9 in the color chart. Add 2 drops of red cabbage juice, and add 3 drops of shampoo. Add 2 drops of red cabbage juice, and slowly add about a teaspoon of detergent. Now you can see that it's starting to change color into green. Questions on Part 1 activity. What happened when the red cabbage was boiled? The answer is letter C. A bluish violet juice was extracted from the cabbage. Number 2. What color change occurred when the red cabbage juice was mixed with the lemon juice acid? The answer is letter B. Blue turns red. Number 3. What color change occurred when the red cabbage juice was mixed with the soapy water based? The answer is letter C, no change. Part 2 activity. Here are the materials needed: baking soda, vinegar, mixing bowl, measuring spoon, goggles, laboratory coat, closed shoes, and gloves. Procedure: place a spoonful of baking soda into the mixing bowl. And then, slowly add a spoonful of vinegar into the baking soda. Observe what happens. There are bubblings. It bubbles. Here are the questions. What happened when the two ingredients were mixed? The answer is letter A. Bubbling occurred. Number 2. Which of the following is an acceptable conclusion based on your answer in question 1? The answer is letter A. One of the possible products of the reaction is a gas. Question number 3. Which of the reacting ingredients is an acid? The answer is letter B. Acid is vinegar. Number 4. Which of the reacting ingredients is a base? The answer is letter B. Base is baking soda. Number 5. How did you identify the acid and the base? The answer is letter A. Based on the previous experiment. Thank you very much.